RAXDOME and RAXTENT is the 13 years of original manufacturer. We supply not only the super good products, but also we provide excellent packing. This is our packing workshop. All the dome orders will be packed right here before loading. First, we pack the aluminum frame and the covering materials separately. 1. Each frame is carefully stacked according to its size, and the sharp corners are well protected like this. 2. Then, the stacked frame will be wrapped with bubble film to keep the dust and the moisture away. In addition, each frame has a clearly encoded label to help the customer sort out the material fast and start the installation easily. Now, for the covering materials, especially for the glass panels and the solid panels, we have the 3-layered protection solution. First, we use custom reinforced steel panels with additional wooden boards at the base and around the sides to avoid collision. Second, each glass is separated by softer foam to reduce the breakage. Finally, after the basic packing is completed, we add another layer of polywood to protect the panels, along with fragile awning labels to remind the workers to handle the goods carefully. The safety can be 100% guaranteed. From our factory to your hands, we offer super packing, good products, and the best price. Contact us now.